First time in T20I history, Hardik Pandya scripts huge world record after joining Arshdeep Singh, Jasprit Bumrah in elite list. India all-rounder Hardik Pandya on Sunday achieved a historic first in international cricket during the ongoing third T20I against South Africa at the HPCA Stadium in Dharamsala. The 31-year-old is now the first pace-bowling all-rounder to complete the double of 1,000 runs and 100 wickets in T20I Internationals. Hardik dismissed Tristan Stubbs in the 7th over of South Africa's innings to achieve the feat. By doing so, he also became the third Indian to take 100 or more wickets in the format, joining Arshdeep Singh and Jasprit Bumrah in the elite list. Arshdeep Singh has taken 107 wickets in 70 T20I matches at an economy of 8.35, with best figures of 4 for 9, while Jasprit Bumrah has picked up 101 wickets from 82 matches, maintaining an impressive economy rate of 6.35, with best figures of 3 for 7. Before Hardik, only 4 cricketers worldwide, Bangladesh's Shakib Al Hasan, Afghanistan's Mohammad Nabi, Zimbabwe's Sika Ndar Raza, and Malaysia's Virendeep Singh, had accomplished the 1,000-run, 100-wicket double in T20Is. They are all spinners. Hardik made his long-awaited return to competitive cricket for India on Tuesday in Cuttack in the first T20I against South Africa. He had been out of action after September 26, 2025. He announced his comeback in style, smashing an unbeaten 59 off just 28 balls, laced with 6 fours and 4 sixes. With the ball, he chipped in as well, taking 1 wicket for 16 runs in his 2 overs, helping India secure a commanding 101-run victory over South Africa.